Hello everyone. We support file versioning in S3-Link, which means if you have updated a file which already exists in S3, you can upload that modified file as a new version of that existing file. In this video, we will see how users can upload an updated file as a new version and how they can view and download those file versions from Salesforce. First, navigate to the account record detail and go to the S3 files section. Click New Version from the menu for the S3 file for which you want to upload a new version. Click on Choose Files and select the updated file which you want to upload as a new version. Specify the description of changes you made in the What Changed field and click Upload. This will upload the selected file as a new version of the S3 file. If the upload process is ongoing and you want to cancel it, click Abort. Once the file version is uploaded, you can download or preview it by opening the S3 file record. Click on File Name in S3 Files list for which new version is uploaded. File Download action in S3 File Detail will always download the latest version. Find the S3 file versions list in the related section of S3 file and click on the file version you want to download or preview. Click Download to save the file version to your local storage. You can also preview the file version by clicking on the Preview button. Thank you for watching.